Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to confirm that the checkerboard is baked into pixels, so first duplicate the layer and inspect transparency by hiding the background. Once done, zoom to 100% and look for soft edges or checker patterns overlapping subject pixels. Make sure to switch to Quick Mask or View Show Transparency to verify. Then, pick the dominant background color with the eyedropper and use the magic wand or color range to make an initial selection. This starts separating false transparent areas from actual subject pixels. With the initial selection active, open Select Color Range and increase fuzziness to include semi-transparent pixels so you capture fringes without harming the subject. Next, go to Select and Mask, choose Output to layer mask and refine edge. Smooth slightly, shift edge inward if halos appear, and use decontaminate colors if needed. You should now have a mask separating baked checkerboard from the subject. Paint the mask with a soft brush to clean remaining speckles and restore fine hair or edge detail. Once your mask looks clean, toggle background off to confirm actual transparency behind the subject, then save as PNG 24 or keep a PSD for future edits. Make sure to inspect at multiple zoom levels. Fine halos often show at 100%, and if you see them, return to the mask and slightly feather or use the brush with low opacity to blend edges. If the image still shows a faint checker pattern, copy the layer. Apply Gaussian blur at 0.51px to the mask and re-export. This usually removes residual artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.